hot tub smelling a little funky? Well, fret not. We got some tried and true methods to keep your hot tub clean and smelling right. I tried it, and it's true. First thing you're going to want to do is think about how old the water is in the tub. In a Dimension 1 spot, it suggests you drain and refill it every 6 months. And if you're past that, you might want to drain and refill it. It's also a good idea to use a jet cleaner. It'll blow your lines out right before you drain and refill it, get all the stink out of there. If you're within those 6 months, it's probably not the issue. The next thing you're going to want to do is test your water. If your pH or anything's a little off, it might be the cause for some smell. You can also use a scum ball. It'll attract and absorb oils and other contaminants that are in your hot tub, passively. It's always the tried and true, chlorine. Always make sure you got enough sanitizer in your hot tub to keep it clean and smelling nice. Another thing to do is think about your filter. Think about how old it is. If it's maybe a little over a year old, it might be time to replace it, or at the very least give it a good clean. Take a look at one of our videos we did about cleaning your filters. You can also stop by Pool Park and browse our fragrances. We have spa-safe spa bombs, aromatherapy oils in bottles and samples. We also have scented shot, which will keep your hot tub clean and smelling nice. Oh, this smells so good. You should do a cut here and then a sound effect right after.
Oh, that's good. That'll cut right into a transition then.
Hey!
That's good.
I'm ready for the film. I got the coat and I brought the.
Yeah, we filmed. We're done.
Yeah. I'll get the hat. I probably.
Yeah, I think we got it.
We didn't need you for this one.
All right.
Sorry. Poor guy.
Should like maybe fade out this point.
Yeah, I'll cut it into a transition there. How do you find out?
I don't know. Did you call him?
I thought you called him.
You didn't call him.
Does he always find his way in here?
No idea.
I guess he's a detective.
I guess he is.